Okay, I guess I could have this on. I'm getting a couple things exported and ready to go. What's up, everybody? I am just getting my mod dropped in that I exported, so let me get that done, then I'll get the headset on. You know, that was me plugging my index in and forgetting I had that set in that area, so whoops. Everybody gets the reconnect sound.
Transmit a request from your iDroid and I'll send supplies right away.
Actually have a good one for that I'm gonna try to work on. Voice crack before anybody else makes fun of me for it. Alright, this goes in here. 645, that should be the right one. Okay, I may have broken something with this, but this is, I'm setting the expectation now. This is gonna be there'll be a whole bunch of IT to this stream. One of these days you'll get an index, hopefully soon. What's up, everybody? Hello, hello. We're just filtering in. Alright, I have VR turning on. H3 should be modded. Cool. Always. I think you've redeemed that once, Jess. I don't know if it'll let me do it. There we go. Finished tips and tricks H3VR. Tips and tricks helping you a lot, arm swinger. Nice. Good, good, good. That is a good movement method. I enjoyed it a lot. Not too bad, Jess. How about you? Why is this left one always never want to connect? Always never. Yeah, we're just getting back from eating food and then chilling out for a little bit. I was gonna work on testing these mods anyway, so I figured I'd put the stream up just to do it. Couldn't watch performance on Sunday. Saw the VOD of the run yesterday. Nice plasma. Yeah, it went pretty well. I don't. My opponent doesn't run till tomorrow, so I don't know if I have Don't know if it's gonna happen. Or if I'm gonna move on to the next round. Alright, so that's up. Cool, cool. Going to swap volume over. See if this is actually working. Why? Of course, there was a Windows update and something broke already. Alright, cool. There's that. Index is up. Index is there. And I'm gonna switch over. I always forget that I have that muted. You might have enough light to have the camera on for a bit. What's up, Skitty? I have to run properties on this one. I don't know why I have to reset this every time, but I done do. Hey, it's up, Chaotic. It'll be a little bit dark up here probably. We're getting towards evening, but eventually. Alright, so we have a couple new things that we were working on yesterday that I somehow got working. So, I need you guys to help test. We will just head out to... Where is friendly 45? So the one I have to wait for somebody to follow to see if it works. So that'll just hopefully happen at some point. If I have all of that working properly, which it very well may not be. But there is a spawn option for an item. I need to make sure that H3 is primary window. Cool. So yeah, there should be a redeemable in the Twitch points to spawn a cursed item. If somebody has, I'll lower it down later. I just didn't want it to get spammed off the top. If that's not showing up, I may need to know that. I also would be nice if I opened. Oh no. Zim Panda Gamer, got you there. Thank you so much for the 5 gifted. Oh no, Tritty, it didn't spawn. Crap. Alright, I'll refund that. Hold on, I'm gonna lower that. Sorry, Tritty. Thank you so much. Glad you like it. Thank you for the bits and the gift. Thank you, thank you. Alright, I broke something there. Let me see if that actually pulled or not. Alright, so the redeem worked. Let me see. I'll just actually drop the cost on that. Whatever. If we break it, we break it. I feel bad that it was that much. It was applied. Spawn. Alright, 5,000. Let's drop that down. I guess we'll do 50. Game's on mute. Da-da-da. Why? Hold on. There we go. That one's up. I broke some stuff. Thank you, Panda, again. Alright, let me change this. I should not have made that so darn expensive. Tritty was the sacrificial lamb. Alright, we'll just do 50. Thank you for the follow, Ram. Of course, I am already in something, and that's not going to work, because I can't have any of this up. I am flailing already. Alright, let's get OVR drop running. Let's get turn signal running. I have to move over to Twitch and change the cost of you down to 50. We'll see if this does it. Or not. Ah, that's why. That would be why. Don't force. Always with the forcing.
2 more months till 2-year badge. Anyways, thanks for another month of great content.
Oh, alright, hold on. I gotta fix everything that I broke. 2 seconds. Thank you so much. Sharpshooter, 22 months. Holy crap. Thank you for the tier 1 and welcome back. Right, that's down to 50, so that should be saved. You over. Poor Tritty. I wish I could give regular Twitch points, but I forgot that I can't. That is my fault. He should be good. He should be active. Boop, boop, boop. Roll. Processing. Seeing. Hold on. All right, I'm trying to see what's going on here. Those are 24s. This is connected and started. Okay. There shouldn't be any cooldown on that. All right, can somebody try to... All right, redeem that again, please. It should be much cheaper. I apologize, Tritty. I don't know why I thought having it so high would be a good idea. All right, I probably should have put a log in for this too. All right, so those are obviously not working. Let me try a different scene. Because I know it was working here. Should have it on J. Thought I had it on J. Okay, yep. Strange. Okay, so that is working there. Weird. Weird. Maybe, since you guys are gonna spam it, let's do this. Inputs. Sosic pillow. Trigger is 50. Is good. The action, let's get rid of the repeat. That's another. No, that's key down. We want that. There's gonna be a lot of this. There will be a lot of this. Hold on to your points for a minute till I get this sorted. I need to press that actually on the keyboard apparently. That should be J. There will be a whole bunch of this because this is all getting figured out on the fly. Press the J key. All right, so we press the J key. All right, how about now? Give it a shot now. I want to see if this is actually going to pass. Why is that not passing through? All right, I broke something. The keybind's working. I wonder if it's because it's on a different screen. Alrighty, bear with me. Let's try this. Try to move you over to here. We should be applied. And that's the only thing I dislike is if I don't have that limit on it, it just gets spammed a whole bunch. So let's take this to a minute so it's not so tough to be in chat. Alright, so that is a 50-point redeem trigger when a user types as 50 points or triggered when a user redeems. Okay, so that's good. Always be considered active. Okay, maybe that was busted. Let me make sure all these are good then. Always on. Always on. Okay. Anyway, sorry for the issues. We will have a body pillow button. I just got to get it working. All right. How about now? We got him? No, we don't. Crap. What about slow-mo? Is slow-mo working? What's up, Axie? Hello. Sorry for all the spam. Alright, slow-mo didn't work either. Alright, something's weird. I wonder if I have to restart. Okay, my prompt is working, but it's not passing through InstructBot. Alright, let's just try restarting that then. Sorry for the issues. Beat your first operator OI run. Nice. Nice. Alright, where are you at? Let's do a disconnect and a restart here. I'll get to the water. Alright, and we're gonna reconnect. I don't think I did anything else special. I don't know if public really matters. Activation required. Target is H3. Deli Counter's a good mod manager. You lost a putter. Oh no. A few hundred points. The runs have been getting crazy close. Alright, can anybody redeem either the Sosic body pillow or slow-mo? Slow-mo's still not passing. Really weird.
Finally got to play H3, time to time modded runs as well. Sanctuary and Co-Winner Calico and Prometheus and Sci-Fi Sally are really great runs. They are. When's Anton gonna add the Meat Fortress Take and Hold character? I wouldn't hold my breath for that. That might be a little while. There's a Hotline Miami themed character. Interesting. Alright, what the heck am I doing different or wrong with this? So, we are using an input key pass, right? We are connected. Let's say we're doing an input. Oh no, that's just adding a new one. I don't want that. You're gone. Triggers. Triggered when a user types in chats, or... Wish I could actually read all this. Of course that won't go. There we go. Or triggered when a user redeems a Twitch reward. Sorry, this is just gonna be a whole bunch of me trying to figure this stuff out. Brutal Benny and Hotline Heather. Nice. Yeah, that'll be interesting. That'll be interesting. Alright. I'm trying to think what the heck I broke here. I should be able to fake some stuff. So there should be...
What's the big hurry? That's not like you. Take your time.
Activity list, information. Thought that there was a way to, like, test these. I know there is. I just don't know where the heck I put it. Yeah. So if there was... I don't have any of those. And there's a sub. That's not gonna work. Crap. Crap. Sorry. This is what I get for doing this. Okay. So here's... The overviews are showing up. Spawn associate pillow, slow-mo trigger, so they're all there. They're just not actually redeeming, which is interesting. So, I wonder what's causing that. About to delete, remove. Oh no, those are all of them? Random command. What the heck's that? External command. Those are ones that don't matter. Anyway. Sorry. Ah, crap. Now I had the one thing working, and it's working when I press my keypad, so now I am just completely lost with what I'm actually doing here. What's up, hobo? Let me double check again to see what happens. Yeah, that's definitely passing on my end. We had it working for the slow-mo stuff. Is there a queue? I feel like it's just not, like, connecting. I wonder if I have to, like, redo something here. Automatically connect. Yeah, I think there's something weird going on that it's not actually connected properly. Well, that sucks. The whole thing I wanted to test today. Because these are only showing 24. Those are not recent ones. Shoot. Shoot. Sorry for the issues. What could be doing that? Do I have to, like, unconnect? Automatically update Twitch categories, respond to cheers, use rewards, I want that. I know I want that. Automatically connect would be good. Account switch. Alright, let's reset this. Might have to relog in. I may have to relog in here. Anyway, what's up? Welcome to the normal chaos here. Ah, I did the wrong one. I did the wrong one. Alright. Now. Just a giant mess. Somebody want to either try a slow-mo or a redeem to see if this works? Why not? Why are you not taking that? It's not even catching any of it. That's the weird thing. I'm not out of my trial yet, so it's not that. And that's the queue. Our timeline's showing nothing. Well, that's only showing... Huh. 28th. So there's a bunch. But it's not showing anything here. I have no clue what busted. I have absolutely no clue what busted. This is terrible. Your Sterling Mark IV just arrived. Nice. Port, thanks. The classic, it should be working. What's up, Devin? Yeah, actually my code's fine. It's just, this darn instruct bot that doesn't want to pass anything. Joe's connected. Can I do an emulate again? Processing, emulate. The subscription. Because it should queue it, even if it's not, like, done at that exact moment. It should still bring it up in some sense. Ah, there we go. I just want to see this update. Because if that doesn't update, then something's just not right. And that sucks. It means I have to rebuild crap. Ah. What's up here, Putter? Crap. Alright. I'm gonna test some stuff. I'm gonna go onto the desktop for a couple minutes. I apologize. Give me 2 seconds.
Is this even gonna work? Cool, there's that one. Oh boy, I don't know if I have this one up. Is he running? He's somewhere underneath. There he is. Yo. Oh, and wow, that is way too high of a res. Nice. That should be better, I guess. I don't know. This is terrible. This is a mess. So, I need to see what the heck's going on with this bit, because I am currently passing my keystrokes, which is a good thing. Again, we get our sosigs whenever I actually hit a key. I look like a younger cousin of Gunji's. You should just see me yesterday before I shaved. It was actually quite the striking resemblance. Right? It's good. Alright. So yeah, I need to figure out why the heck this isn't passing. And I don't know why it wouldn't. There's no delay, text commands. Alright, let's do... I'm gonna get rid of these unnecessary ones. Subaru moments. If I tried yelling at it, I normally do. I swear. Try to move this over so I can at least see chat somewhat. Nope, that won't work. That will not work. Alrighty. Thank you for the follow, Lefe. Follow thing, random command I don't want, so remove him. Slow-mo trigger I wanted. That's a sound input. That's separate. I just don't know why any of these aren't passing. It really seems like it doesn't want to connect to Twitch. How do you get the thing that removes ads? I'm talking like uBlock origin. Connecting to client for broadcaster, updating the user information, that's fine. It loads up without a problem, so that's not it. That is not it. Automatically update the category. Don't care. No profile attach. I must be missing something simple at this point. I really think I am. Okay, let's start with the Sosig pillow. Always on. Active application is unrequired. Don't know what public's gonna do for me, but we'll keep it. Default cue, sound effects, I don't care. Actions, we press the J key. Profiles are default. Don't have any profile up. Points, whenever somebody redeems it. No, had the credit icons. Oh, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure about that. I don't know. I may have just a bunk stream here tonight. To be honest, it's weird because it's stuck. Like it doesn't know I'm streaming right now. That's the weird thing. Like it's stuck on the last stream's time, and that's what's busted, I think. Twitch Turbo. That I think. Yep, that's what you're talking about. I don't think it knows that I'm live. For some weird reason. Oh, crap. Anyway, how are you guys, since I'm wasting everybody's time tonight? We should do this. I'm going to kick out of H3 for now. We'll just turn some hold music on instead. VR on the chair. Join the stream playing Tarkov, I wish. I wish I was any good at that game. I tried to hop back into it the other day and not getting Twitch events. It's got a single shot break action. Nice. Could always just download some new mods. I was actually going to record Meat Fortress bit with the new announcer that Trudy had so kindly paid for all of us. Automatically connect, logging normal, trigger prefix, DPI mode. I need like troubleshooting. Which events? That's just telling me the same thing. Darn. Got your Series X today. Nice. I'm glad, Skitty. That's channel points and whatnot. He's still a mod, right? He's still a mod. It does take time, but my issue is I have like 300 hours into Tarkov. So, it's a bit too low. How is that mod coming along, Disembodied? I seen it a long while ago, but I kind of forgot about it. Huh. Can't connect to chat. That's not it. That has nothing to do with what I'm looking at. Works fairly well. Cool. Yeah, those are from subs. Does my cat destroy any of my cables? No, they're actually quite good about it. They seem to only like destroying the ones that are white, and the only ones I have like that are my Pixel USB-C cable, and that's in the bedroom. It just doesn't get messed with anymore. They have destroyed a few. They got a nice boop on the snoot for any initial ones, so they learned quick. They learned quick with that. So what the heck could be causing this? I don't know that I really need. Applications. Target window. H3VR. So that's fine. I don't think that's the issue though. I think the issue is it passing from Twitch. And that doesn't make sense. There's no externals, there's no inputs. What's up, Tomate? Hello. And this is what's worrying me. The last thing it says is from a while ago. That's strange because I had two separate streams. H3 is the target. Let's try doing profiles default. I just need to see if I can get a keep press to pass. Can I train your cat to behave that way? Yeah, I wish. Yeah, I really wanted to check out that single player Tarkov stuff because I feel like I could learn better with that than I would just the normal bot runs because of the persistent loot and trying to get an idea of what I should take in, but I just never really bothered with it. I'm kind of stumped and I hate it. It's bothering me. Wonder if there's like issues on their end. Points name, prefix, it's none of that. Is there a log? There's a log. Logs help. Logs help. Items found for upload. Finish started. Connect view model. So this is what, 17, all right. The active application is there. What if we redeem cursed item spawn? Yeah, this is what bothers me. I think it's not connecting right. Oh, that's not even there. How about log now? What do you say? Items found for upload. I don't understand that. Track thread name. A follow. I don't think this really helps me. I really don't. Crap. It means you don't get sniped from across the map by a kitted out lunatic, but the bots are a little stupid. The if they're using the same AI as normal Tarkov, I don't doubt that. Apparently they've been nerfed recently though, so it's not quite as bad. But that's not it. Now I need you to come back. Come back. Okay. I don't know. I really don't know what the heck I broke. Well, I just run it. Yeah, so if I run it, it's here. So it's working in that sense. There's the inputs. Sosik pillow. Triggers. Triggers when a user types in chat. Or triggered when a user redeems the Twitch reward costing Twitch 50, which is, that is. Heavily nerfed. 2-second react time on AI now. That's ridiculous. That's nuts. They seemed a bit slower whenever I went back the other day to try again, but geez. When I go on to Meat Fortress, don't forget to use more gun. So those are fine. That's cool. Whenever a user uses a reward, it's good. What if I do? Does it need an identifier? Profiles default. Key down. Ah! I know what it is. All this time, it's this. It's this button. It wasn't working because of this button. It doesn't even... Oh my god. Yes, I want to save the changes. Yes, I want to save the changes. I hate this. Was that frickin'... I did. I forgot to turn it on. Because there's no... Like... Why? This... No. No. See, I told you it was a waste of time. A waste of everybody's time. Alright. So we've got them. At least my code was right? It was unplugged. It was essentially unplugged. Okay. Now I'm only crazy when I'm not good. 40 minutes of literally just not working. Why is anybody still here? Alright. Give me a couple seconds to get my headset back on. Dear Lord. Why are there 90 of you here watching me embarrass myself? This is ridiculous. 2 seconds. Alright, we'll give this another shot. Now we're good. Totally normal and productive stream. Man, to think I was debating on actually coding on stream tonight, that would have been an even worse nightmare. I don't like the position of that on button. Watch because you care. You watch to redeem the nerd. That's it, Skitty. And to flaunt your fully automatic weapons. I don't mind. Hey, there goes the slow, or the follow from earlier. Nice. So yeah, part of what I wanted to do
Wonderful.
was bring the actual wonderful in.
Wonderful.
So whenever I get a follow, there's actually going to be a an Anton Tippy toy that falls from my head, and I hear wonderful in the game. So cool. Slow motion should be up. And make sure that I have that. Don't redeem anything until I get this sorted. I'm gonna make sure that is okay. It at least has a timer. Okay, cool. All right, why not do some Ricky Random then? I suppose. Yeah, I know it's getting a little bit dark now. That it is. I plug the light in, it just goes
Okay, meat.
Oh.
Go retrieve their secrets and I'll consider your pay.
I forgot I had that installed still. That works. So cool, but that is up and running. I have to apparently apply more force to that, because that is not shooting out the way I want it to. Yeah, I'm probably gonna need to up the one from my head too, or the Tippy toy. But that is the start of some other things popping in. So I've successfully brought it so you guys can redeem items into the game. So mission accomplished. Just had the very tough situation of toggling something on to solve it. Cool.
The right token found.
None of your guns are full auto. That's your story, and you're sticking to it. Turn the oh, man. The only thing I have against turning the restrictions off is it floods chat, and I can't fix that. They don't let me get rid of that. That makes me feel bad for people who are trying to keep up with chat. So towards the end, we'll do that. For now, we're gonna keep it a little bit calmer. You guys are have to fight over it. If I wish I could make it like 15 or 30 seconds, the like no limit kind of. Oh, is there a per person? I know there's a limit. Oh, we'll do this then. Can we do that? Is that a nice in between? If I can do it per person. Yeah, see, I have to do redemptions per stream, per user, but I can't do a per user cooldown, and that would be what I'd want to do. So, the cursed item still at a minute. Alright, I'll take this off. Right, you guys... Yeah. Just apologize to anybody in the chat who actually wants to try and read it. Did I actually click back on it? I'm pretty sure I did. I wonder... Oh, it should be alright. Oh no.
Wonderful.
Is it broken? Did we break it already? Oh god, it broke. Now what? We spawned one. Where'd it go? I wonder if they're spawning above the ceiling. Try it now. I wonder if they're up too high. Thank you for the follow, by the way, Dragostar. Now it's not passing again. That is strange. Why are you not passing? Oh, here they come. Ah, they're delayed. Adoy, they are delayed. That kind of stinks for the follows, but... Alright, it's not busted at least. That makes me feel better. I'm just gonna have a trail of Sosig pillows around the entire place, aren't I?
Wonder if-
Incoming! Defend
Shouldn't be
this
a, like,
area with
built-in
your life.
cooldown. That doesn't make sense.
This will be but a moment.
Oh no. Trying to think what would make that not be spammable. Oh, the sound worked too. Nice. Hey, that did work. I added the Max Payne slowdown sound. That was freaking perfect.
Would you kindly dispatch those statics?
That was awesome.
Oh, and crypto thing's broken.
Jolly good.
Good show. Information has been received.
Oh
3
man.
tokens found. Go get a new toy. More secrets are to be uncovered.
Been on an
Onwards.
H3 itch since Rift S left controller started drifting. Oh my. That's no good. The stick was drifting. I don't know why they're all having such issues with that. So it looks like...
That's not like you. Take your time.
So they are spawning. I don't know why or where. Or that was the previous one. Yeah, that was a previous one. I just happened to knock him out. So something's busted with a cursed item spawn. Oh, did I miss somebody? 6th Dino, thank you for the follow as well. Let me see what we have going on in InstructBot if something's busted. Overview. Processing. So they're all there. Does that do it again? They're showing is completed. Wonder if it's happening too fast. No, there's decent amount of time in between each of them. That's strange. That is super strange. I did not yet, Tritty. I did not. I need to do that. I just was messing with my own code last night, and that's the only thing I did before booting up here. So, don't know why that's not working. Do a halo reload with the pistol. I'm not even sure what a halo reload is. That is a long, long ago memory. I thought I had that to include one in the chamber. Pew pew pew.
Override token found.
All right. Ew, Springfield, right? Disgusting. That one came with a Sosig body pillow. Yeah, I'm wondering why it's only... No, that one seemed to work. That one seemed to be okay. Maybe it just doesn't like being spammed. But that doesn't make sense either because we had no issue with it with the slow-mo spam. That happened, no problem. Not a problem on that one. Whatever. Yeah, there must be... There's something that's limiting that. Let me see if there is something in... I really like the slow-mo sound there. That's fun. Yeah, I need to see if there is a setting I accidentally ticked on or something for that one. Let me see. Where are you, InstructBot? Because it's showing as them working. There's only the Sosig pillow right now, and that's just as a test. I have some other ideas as to what's going to happen, but yeah, that's just as a test at the moment. So that's the trigger for the Sosig pillow. Actions, press the J key, always on public. Cooldown, 0. Over there, that's fine. Q. Sequential. Parallel. I don't know. We'll see if that does anything, because I had those turned on. But I am not sure. Maybe I have to just have a built-in cooldown for it or something. Hey, no worries, Port. Thank you for stopping by. You too, Greystone. Thank you for hanging out. Sorry for the weird and goofy stream. It's a whole bunch of tech issues, but thank you for stopping by no matter what.
Incoming! Defend this area with your life.
Did I make that primary again? That is the question.
This will be but a moment.
Hey, that one seemed to come out with a bit more force, which is what I originally wanted. Just laying in the hallway. What'll be good is after, like, imagine this on a,
Wonderful.
Dude! That was so good. That was so freaking good. Oh. The Max Payne sound and everything.
Hardens, crack them like an egg. Nodes smashed, and I'm not paying for them. Well done.
That voice is,
Onward to the next layer.
Benjamoose as the Team Fortress 2
This
Classic
will be
Civilian,
but a
right?
moment.
Team Fortress, yeah, I think that's what it is. Tritty knows the exact, since he's the one who paid for it. I had it installed from Sunday's stream and forgot to toggle it back to the normal one. Dude, that freaking goodness. Goodness. I'm in love with that slow-mo sound.
Shoot the flocker. Nodes smashed, and I'm not paying for them. Well done. Good show. Information has been received.
And Idiotic Gamer, what program are you using to keep chat on your wrist?
Generous.
Correct. It is
More
OBR
secrets are to
Toolkit.
be uncovered. Onwards.
I'm using OBR Toolkit. Or OBR Drop. OBR Toolkit is the newer version. I'm using the older one just because I prefer
Override token found.
the control on it. But Toolkit does the same thing. XS Overlay will accomplish it as well. So the follow didn't seem to come through on that either. Strange. Strange that we were able to spam the slow-mo redeem, but I can't spam the item spawn.
Override token found.
I freaking love it. That is so much fun. That is just the definition of fun. Having the trigger sound helps out. Lets everybody know it's happening. What triggers the slow-mo? It is the redeem. The 500-point redeem will do it.
Let's check this out.
Override token found.
Cool. Nothing there that I want. Spawn cursed item is supposed to be dropping Sosig pillows over my head, but something's going on with it at the moment. And that's supposed to actually make a tippy toy come out of my head. Thank you.
Hurry. That's not like you. Take your time.
Maniac Psycho for the follow. Thank you. Welcome to this absolute hot mess of a stream. Oh boy. Let's just get to the hold. Nice to have a sight. Should have rolled something. It seems like the slow-mo's working every time.
Incoming! Defend this area with your life. This will be but a moment.
Yeah, the cursed item isn't working every time. That's strange. But I know it did whenever I pressed the key manually. So it's not that. There's no cooldown. And instruct bot.
Hardens, crack them like an egg.
So it's not that.
What's that?
Actually,
No
there we go.
smash, and I'm not paying for them.
Bayonet
Well
can
done.
work.
Onward
Big
to
hurry.
the next
That's not
layer.
like you. Take your time.
So there's one that didn't.
And
Oh.
this will be but a moment.
The Mosin one isn't working. You're right there. That one I had not gotten working yet. So don't waste your points. You didn't know you could move the encryptions? Yeah. Yep. They're physics active. Need a scout, think fast, chuckle nuts that'll spawn a primed flashbang.
Clock it out.
I wonder if you could have one in that state saved and ready to go. That would be funny. I did remember seeing
Shoot the flockers.
the ability to blind the
No
player
smash,
when I was
and I'm
messing
not
around
paying
with
for
stuff.
them. Well done.
But having an actual
Onward to the
flashbang
next
come out of
layer.
your head, that'd be ridiculous.
This will be but a moment.
I like it. I like it. I can give the Mosins. I just can't give Twitch points. The sound helps so much with that. Selling it and making sure that I know it's activated. I should probably delay it for like a half a second to give me a chance to be ready. That's so good though. Alright, let's actually back out to the main menu here. And let's see if we can troubleshoot a little bit. Just instantly blind. Okay, so what are we seeing in the processing? We're definitely seeing the multiple redeems. They are there, 100%. What does this do? Let's spawn it again. And I know for a fact... Oh, need to make this the active window. Yeah, the key presses will redeem consistently without a problem. So that's not an issue. So it's got to be something in InstructBot again. So what can we see that may be broken? So I know on the triggers I have action to be the key press. It's that key down, so it presses. So maybe I need to change it to it down. Is it just a press then? If I do that as a key, what's this one? The Sosig pillow? J. Well, that's packet. That's not going to be right. I do this on the actual keyboard apparently. J. Apply there. And so that's a key press. They all were key presses. Presses and then releases. Presses and releases, presses and releases. How about now? Somebody spam that a couple times. What's the... Yeah, it's the Twitch rewards. That's what's doing it. There's one. Hey, that's what it was. That's what it was. I was using just key down instead of a key press, so it was keeping it held down. Cool. Nice. This looks weird. So we have that now. Now, I'm imagining the flashbangs can only come out as a normal object. What we could do, what we could do, would be spawn the. Oh, where's it at? Yeah, have fun with it while it's working. Okay, so we can't do a primed
Okay,
one.
mate. Go retrieve their secrets and I'll consider your pay.
We can't do a primed one. Who had that? Was that a sniper one? Yeah. We could spawn... Well, no, that still needs to have the pin pulled. I wonder if it's a separate object in this state. Because if I can get this to spawn like this, as soon as it hits something, that's at least easier than, I guess, finding the state otherwise. I guess I could get the properties of that object and then interact with that or set it to something else. Yeah, pull a pin with the code. Yep, that's cool. Is that actually pulling? Okay. Nice. Yeah, I have the item spawner on whenever I play with mods of any kind. So most of the mods that I do use disable it in some fashion or another. But yeah. So I want to add more force to this because he doesn't really seem to be doing what I want. I really wish the follows would be working better. They seem to get stuck too, but that was right. Literally just a whole take and hold thing with just a bunch of those falling. Goodness. Because yeah, I was actually able to nice. Perfect. I like it. So let's try something else. Let's see if I can do this. You guys can keep doing that in the box. What's up, Peacemaker? Alright. So that guy I don't want. We're just gonna close out of H3 for now. Imagine Twitch suspends me for that. Alright, so let's look at my terrible code. So I'm spawning the pillow. I want to have it move more. I don't care about the spin here. That's only I want that for the yeah, I only want that for the tippy toy. I mean, it must just be the weight that's stopping that from really flying forward. How long is the audio clip for slow-mo trigger? I think the delay between the sound and the actual slow-mo should be the length of said sound. It actually hits as soon as whenever I hear the sound clip start. I think I can put a little bit of a delay to it, but I haven't really messed with it much, to be honest. This also is not helping. It's right in the middle of the freaking code. Alright, so let's say we want to spawn a flash. Spawn primed. Spawn flash. We want to... This will help at all. Flashbang in front of the player with little notice. How much to redeem you petting the cat? Which one? The one back in the window. There's also another one over here. Yeah, Quoka, you like that? What's up, Brendo? Alright, so we need our item ID, which I think I have that saved. Thought I had that saved. There we go. That was Devin has his nice list. Sosa grenade flash, utility flashlight, flash cartridges,
Task. Sniper impact flash. So this is the guy we want to spawn. Yeah, we're gonna do that, Lord. I can do that in instruct bot. I'll bring that in. That's how I did the That's how I did the slow-mo sound, because I don't want to import that into the game. I don't know how to do that yet, and it seems like it's extra work anyway. So we're spawning it. I'm gonna put it above my head. And 20, well, we'll probably put this at like 100. Skate Rocker, thank you for the 3 months. I don't know if that played or not. Oh, it might not have gone through yet. Thank you for the 3 months of Prime. This has been being weird as of late, so my day has been okay. Just work. So after it spawns, I need to get the properties of that. So I need to prime the grenade. Hey, this is part of the modding thing. This is what it is. All right, so I'm guessing that I have to take. Oh no, we're doing this after we instantiate, right? Actually, we need to do that after we instantiate because it's not actually there yet. So we want to do it to the game object. And I am a complete noob at this, so feel free to make fun of me. So Neander, what we're looking to do now is spawn an impact flash grenade above the player's head. We're going to play the scout sound from TF2, think fast, chuckle nuts. And then it's going to prime the grenade and then flash on impact. That's what we're hoping to do. So I'm guessing... Do I just do... So that instantiates it. Where do I go to actually change the process? Trying to get your app to work so you can sub. Oh, no worries. No worries. So do I grab Go here? Yeah, go.get component. Would it be a component that I'm going after? Let's float. Sapper switch. So that's a switch. Yeah, if you go through the app on your phone, it's extra expensive because Google or Apple needs their cut. I'm gonna say that's Winland or Vivienden. Thank you for the follow. So that is Sniper Impact, but that's not really there. I'm not sure how to grab that part of the specific item. Is it a pin? Pin grenade pin? Is that what I'm actually grabbing? I need some help if Nate or like Devin's in here. How would I change the actual... So it's a grenade pin. I'm not sure what component I even need to grab on this. So that is, you would think that would be what it is. Pinned grenade component. Pin grenade. And then I'd have to pass something to it, I'm assuming. The heck do I know what to pass? That's gonna be the issue. There's no arguments there? Okay. So we're just getting it. Okay. So we get the component, pin grenade. I'm so bad at this. Fuse timings. As impact fuse. Is fused, is held. Is there any commentation or documentation? Well, since this is just kind of getting loaded on the side, no, I don't have a way to see that. Thank you, Jimmy. Might be able to just skip the pins completely and call release lever. Well, that one, I don't know if it has a lever to it. If that would be coded the same way, but maybe he just pulls that in the same sense. So would that still be... Release lever. I'm not seeing... Am I still doing that? Do I have to go get component here? Or do I just pull something past that? I'm a complete idiot with this stuff, so... I literally have to pull from actual code. There's a method on the pin grenade component. Ah. So that would just be... no. I'm in over my head, is what it is. Get component. Thank you for the follow. A real live skeleton. Nice to have you here. Where's a method on the pin grenade? Yeah, that's above me. I am not smart enough in the ways of coding just yet. Yeah, so I'm guessing it's still going to be get component here. H3VR lever, trap lever, firearm. Gonna go shoot your pump action AK. Nice. Sounds fun. Capped grenade. Grenade pin. Pin grenade. Pin grenade pin. Pin grenade ring. Why is there so much? Slam fire AK. I have your water here. There you go. Trying, Serenius. This is a terrible excuse at it. It's literally me just copy pasting and then looking through properties to see if I can figure something out. C#. But I am nowhere near fluent in it. Literally first day of Spanish levels here. Pin grenade pin. Pin grenade. Instantiate. Go get component. Looks like this is complaining here. Cost you a grade before? Oh no. Could be a method. I don't know. Is held is hovered. Pivot locked. Pose overrides. See, I know what some of this stuff does. Bath spawn lockables. Yeah, that looks like it's different things than what I'm expecting, so I'm not in the right area. Nope. Easy there, Atomic. Don't get yourself too worked up. Just grab. Yeah, so, alright. Huh. I have to do more reading on this. Because I don't know how to Yeah, I'll have to futz around. I don't know how to grab, what component to grab, and then how to change that actual component of it. I'm too stupid. Yeah, there's something I'm missing in like some core stuff here. Grenade explosion, VR pin. So those are classes. So one of these is the old and one of them is the new. I'm not sure which is which too. Window cat. Yeah, that's a Dooney. She hears, I have the window open so she hears the birds. Hmm. Ping pionizers. Those are all those. I'm guessing that wants nothing. Yeah, I'm lost here. I have to go bother. Percussion cap M16 sounds terrible. I have to go bother somebody else to get this working. Oh, you found it. FVR capped grenade. So that's the component I want to get. Okay, so I have that. I'm passing nothing into that, I'm assuming. Oh, wait, no, that is expecting something, isn't it? No. I shouldn't have any. Okay, so this is just getting the component of it. Like, and again, I apologize. I am so stupid new at this, and this is just all learning for me. So we have that property of the grenade that's spawned right now. So how do we actually tell it that we want to pull that off? What's up, hero? It is, but like this is all thanks to like Nate and and our girl and Frit and Devin have been helping me with all this, so their patience is, this is only possible because of them. So, oh, you're looking at the code in DN Spy. Okay, cool. How do you balance a 3090? What do you mean balance? Oh, that's just me. Showing me. Alice, I'm not sure. You got one and you need help with it. You're making a new setup and you're on an old PC. Well, I mean, you have to make sure your motherboard's compatible with it and all that good stuff too. Depending on how old your rig is, they actually won't be compatible on older motherboards and whatnot. So what do you mean by... I think you had a typo there and I'm not sure what you actually mean. Oh, don't want that. I don't know why that's not playing. Ah, because it's off. Need help on Fatalis. I saw you beat it already. Okay. So the method to remove the cap, and I have that goofed up, so hold on. Need to redo this. I don't know why they're not playing now. Thank you, Bedivere. Now it's for Dixon. I'll be on in a little bit. I had no idea about that fight. I've not even watched a video of it, so I don't even know if I'll be helped with that. Method to remove the cap is cap removed, but it wants some arguments and it has some side effects you don't want, so we can't use that. So is this not possible? Will we have to just make a separate object that has that to it? That might have to be a little bit more of an intensive thing. So that's saddening. Could I spawn a flash round from the KS-23? Like I could just have it shoot straight out of my face at the ground. It wouldn't have an object to it, but... I don't know that those count as actual objects. I've not really looked into that stuff. Oh, actually, I saw it in here, but those were just rounds. Might be able to use reflection and set a field to true, though. If you're willing to help and work through that, I don't want to burden you with that stuff. Yes, gas, buckshot barricade. So those are just the actual ones. What's up, G-Dogs? Hello, hello. Yeah, so those are just... That's not going to work. Interesting. I don't know why this stupid bot is just not doing anything recently. I've only been doing follows. And that one worked fine. I don't know. I don't freaking know. And that's supposed to be good, and it's not working. Huh. No idea. Everything's busted. I break everything. Well, while we're ticking around with that, Shotgun has a 10 times scope. Oh, geez. Yeah, we have point redeems, but they're not active right now, technically, because I'm not in the game. We have to be in H3 and have some other stuff running for them to actually work. That one is not working. It is not. But I actually, with this new instruct bot I have, I can do that easily. I don't have to tick around. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's fine. I have it open, Nate. Thank you for your help with this. Game object go. So I'm guessing I passed this after the instantiation, right? So I would actually do that here. Do I have that correct? You got 5.7 ammo. I got 9mm today for 37 cents a round. Remove the first line. Okay. Okay, so you're doing that's up here. I gotcha. Okay, so we're setting it here. Okay, cool. Alright, what are our errors? I am expecting a comma on line 107. Oh. That would do it. 2J5? How did I get a J in there? Oh my goodness. Okay, I was like, why is that not working? Freaking InstructBot has been passing redeems into my code. Well, that's not good. I hope that didn't screw anything else up. .107 again. Oh, crap. Add force. Fire body, forward. What am I? Why is it expecting that? That doesn't make sense. We have close in the open, add force. Add force. Get component, rigid body. Add force. No, we don't want this. That's why, because it had that in there. Okay, now we're good. Now we are good. Alright, let's see what we got now. Almost back to being in VR. Bot log, I don't care. I need H3 directory. Browse local. Come to the front. Why do you go to the back? Deli. Mods. Switch slow-mo. We'll take the DLL in. Ah, I did not call that. Good call. Good call. So let's do... Bum, bum. That has to be in update. Flash spawn. If input.get key down, key code .f. Actually, we do that here and then enter spawn flash. No arguments. Why would you? Okay. Now we go. Now we'll copy him. What's up, Eldrick? Oh, yeah, because I put that on F, so we will just test it with that first. Let me pop into H3. Need like a mannequin head to just sit here and put this on to test this stuff. Yeah, that's hilarious that all those redeems were passing passing random letters into my code. I'm sure that screwed up some other stuff. Like I'm getting flashbang right now anyway. Here comes all the slow-mos and whatnot being redeemed. Alright, so there's J. H is my follow tippy toy. Just move back a little bit so this has somewhere to impact. I don't know how much force I put on this either. And then... Okay. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. It is teleporting me. That is strange. Oh, I wonder... That key might be used for something else. I think that key is used for something else. We will try a different one then. We'll go with K. Body pillow. VR cap grenade. Field. Use active. Set cameras with true. Okay. Your PC isn't good enough to play VR. Well, luckily, it's getting cheaper and cheaper to build a VR-capable PC. So hopefully someday soon you'll be able to. Alright, throwing the new file in. And... head.forward. That should be fine. I've not owned a Ruger personally, but my dad owns quite a few of them. And they definitely seem like solid weapons. They seem like they're good, especially for the price point. Alright, so yeah, we're still getting this object reference not set to an instance of an object. Spawn flash. Did I not do that right? Spawn flash. Object, we're grabbing the object, or instantiating the object above my head. You'd get a 5.7, something about that gun makes you happy. It is a beaut. It is a bit hard to figure out shooting it, but... Oh, buddy. Yeah, she is a beaut, for sure. They are so large, but so light, even when loaded. The ammo is expensive, but counterpoint is all ammo is expensive right now. Doesn't matter what you're shooting, it seems. Alright. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Sniper impact flash. So, let me make sure I'm even spawning it first. Let me see if this even works. I am OD, MF, sniper impact flash. Let me double check. MF, sniper impact flash, MF, sniper impact flash. Alright, so we built. Too many windows open. No, I don't want you to be the entire length. Goodness. Switch hooks. Oh, that's right. We are running, so I can't do that yet. Close out. Give that a couple seconds, otherwise it won't boot. Caltech P17. Caltech has such weird designs that they come out with. I swear. They're so goofy, but at least somebody's doing something different, I guess. Alright, should be enough time. If I don't wait long enough to boot H3 again, it fails whenever it's loading Beppin for some reason. So we'll see if I'm even able to spawn the object. So it might be my code that's causing the issue. The 320 looks nice. They look like a nice, that'd be a nice, I need to get something that's smaller than a 5-inch barrel for a carry because what I currently have is not working. Okay, cool. So we are spawning the grenades. What's up, Wiley? We are currently working on adding a flash grenade, a flashbang to blind the player, as the Team Fortress Scout says, think fast, chuckle nuts. So we're going to want to put some more force behind that, but at least we know we're spawning that properly. So that's good. So we're getting the component of the game object here. Type of get the field is fuse active. Do you want me to try something that's not get component in children instead of okay? I could try a different nade too. Yeah, that was the goal for sure, Wiley. Because I'm trying to find, like, even just when people follow and stuff, and just something to bring it in, because it's so easy to do at this point with how mods are getting sideloaded in. Alright, we'll see that built. H3 is closed. Updating the mod. Let's boot her again. So get component in children. So that's doing, so that's getting a piece, a child object on that actual game object, I understand. I should have added some more force. I need to point it down too. Just give it some good force straight down. Alright, we have check. Still getting that. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Interesting. Is viewed active. Get field. Kick a TX3, not heard of. Yes, Tritty. It's exactly. It's worth it though. Welcome back, Skitty. We actually get to see what's in this? No, we don't. Means not find it a rigid body. So we know that it's spawning it here. Object. So we're instantiating the object. We're giving it this variable. So there's something between here. Wonder which line is causing the problem. You stick the logs before each line and see which was the last to get called. Alright, so for that, did I even have... So you want me to pull here and say we're getting components, and here is spawned object. Planning on getting 270 for elk hunting. Ooh. Manufactured by Beretta. As long as it's not a storm. And I'm guessing it wouldn't be failing here, or we don't really need to know, but I'll put that anyway. Should do a house video. You want them above each line? Okay, sorry. Sorry. I guess that makes sense. It does. I am still learning. Sorry for being an idiot, and thank you for your patience. This would be setting fuse. Well, we know the object wants to spawn. Well, I guess it's failing overall, so there's just... it wants to get through all of that. Just to be safe. Maybe there's a J that got set in there from InstructBot, who knows. Hey, Drago, I am in the same boat. I am learning on the fly here. My house is very small. This is one of 3 rooms, so it would be a very short video. Glad you think so, though. This was our living room, and Lady Jedi was kind enough to allow me to use it for the VR room for content, quote unquote. But yeah, I am so new to this. I've been taking a class for the last 3 weeks and just basically understanding some very, very low level stuff with C# scripting and Unity, and I'm really relying heavily on Grill and Frit, Devin, whoever else wants to help out in the Discord. So yeah, seriously, if like you're around for a pet cam in the beginning of the streams, you'll literally see the majority of the house, because Lady Jedi will walk into her room, into the kitchen, and then the bedroom's the only one that really hasn't been walked into. So current list of project rifles: AMD 65, M72, M72 Bravo, M76, M76. Why? Oh, you have a set me. Did you buy that one? Can you see the Rust poster? The one back there or the one that's up this way? Yeah, the P50 looks crazy. And this looks like it might not load the whole way. It's doing this sometimes. Wilhelm Skeletal, thank you for the follow. I don't know why some of my alerts aren't working right. You have so much stuff. Oh, you do have 3 machine guns. How's that Bren? The Amendment 35. I don't know how well it'll show. I'm gonna restart this. Sometimes H3 doesn't want to load. Should not have other mods in whilst I'm testing mine. It's also behind my monitor, so... And that was actually sent to me by, I think Lucas? Yeah, I think after the Return of the Rotwiener series that I did, they sent me that and the Jerry one that's back there. All right. Oh, that's right. We didn't do that. We did it on K. So it's setting fuse. Spawned object, getting the component, setting the fuse. Is where it's failing. Thanks, Tequila. Thank you for stopping by and hanging out. Thank you for hanging out. So we're getting through the component get. It's the fuse set that's actually doing it. That prefab should... Do you want me to try a different grenade? Do you want me to just try a normal flashbang? Because maybe the Meat Fortress ones are weird. Alright. XM84, I'm guessing. Okay, we're good there. I need to make sure I quit out of H3. Yeah, I gotta wait a couple seconds. What is the rigid body? That one is pinned. It has 2 pins on it, so... Oh, you're talking about the other one, just the way he has it set up. What's up, Hero? Nice. We'll see what it does. VGO. That's fun. I'm so bad at Tarkov. I've never even, like, got around to using most of the nades. They feel too expensive for me. And whenever I have them in inventory, I don't ever throw them. I, like, freeze up. You want a Chiappa Rhino because it looks like something out of Blade Runner. They're good-looking guns, and you can't lie that half of the reason to own some of them, most of them, is aesthetics. Like, could be the best functioning gun in the world, but if it doesn't look good, do you want it that bad? I don't know. It's gotta look good, too. Thank you, Eldrick, for stopping by. They're not made anymore. Alright. Ooh. System string is not present in the dictionary. Huh. Strange. It's not present in the dictionary, so there's something wrong with that object altogether. Sosa grenade flash. What if we just did a Sosa grenade? Would that be easier to figure out because there's not as much going on there? The component for the XM84 is pin grenade instead of FER PAP grenade. Pin grenade XM84. Okay, so he must have changed that. This list must be outdated since Anton changed a bunch of stuff. Okay. I'd assume that. Thank you for helping out with this. So we want to swap you out to pinned grenade XM84. And we want to get pin grenade instead of FER capped. Do you want to stick with get component in children? Pin grenade. Okay, that might just be an old list then. So then so all these need to change. You want that gun even though it isn't a looker? Oh, you're different, Skitty. You are different. So am I correct that all these need to be pinned? Just call release lever instead of that whole type of line. So that would be... So when I'm calling the release lever, I'm going to do... Call release lever. Getting the component. Would I go grenade? Let me see, pop that on Discord if you'd be so kind, so I can properly understand that. You're very special when it comes to all that, Skitty. Thank you. I owe you many, just grenade.release lever. Okay, I was on the right track. I was on the right track. I'm guessing that I'm pulling that too. We'll do this. Releasing lever. Does she build? Builds. What the heck am I doing? Bum, bum. Yeah, code hurts my brain too, in general. I'm an IT guy, so I think at a higher level of the stack here, like the physical networking layer, and even with stuff with some of the packets and that, I can't fully comprehend. I know the gist of things enough to make it work, but I am much more different layer of troubleshooter. Yeah, so about that, if I want to use DNSpy, which I've been using on other people's mods, other people's DLL files, am I just doing that in from like directly to game resources for H3? Is that where I pull those to look? Like, I don't know where to go, because I would absolutely just read through all of that crap because it will help me out tremendously. Okay, so I just have to go actually into the game to do that. It works. You just drag the assembly. Oh man. So the issue was we weren't calling the correct thing on the Meat Fortress grenade. This is better too because it gives us a second to react to it falling instead of the Meat Fortress one being an impact grenade. So that's good. But yeah, now... Oh, man. Alright, so we need to add a little bit more force to that, and I'll be happy with it. And I'm going to grab the Chuckle Nuts sound real quick, if I can manage to do so. That should be... I think they had to have that on the wiki. So I think the add force should work for that, right? Because I think that was working before. Let me pump that up a good bit. So I can build him and replace him. It's freaking hilarious. That is so good. That is on the K button, so we are going to go over to here. We're going to make a new one. Input command flash self. Trigger is going to be very expensive. Points 1,000. The action is going to be, should be the same as what it was. Keep press on K. Presses and then releases. So we apply, we remember to press this freaking button so that it actually activates. Do I play paintball? I do not. I've played paintball a couple times. Very expensive hobby, and never really got into it. The few times I did, I got shot in the face immediately, so... Alright, so we should be throwing out a little bit further. Now I just need to make the sound event. Play sound. Yes, we want to save that. So we're going to make the Chuckle Nuts sound. Let me see if I can find that online. TF2 Scout Chuckle Nuts sound. So that might be, yeah. That might be a custom one. I might have to grab that. Anybody have it as an MP3 somewhere? Scout responses, Scout soundboard. Can I not find on this page? Alright, so I just have to actually find that sound. Hold on. Okay, so that's not recording out of here. So let me do... Goodness. You have a super loud... Yeah, I'll grab it from here. I need to... I don't know if I can do this. Right, I'm going to mute this and myself real quick to see if I can grab this as a file. Why? Oh, that's why. 2 seconds.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
Okay. Alright, let's rip that out of Premiere real quick. This is gonna be good. What's up, Plastic? Hello, hello. New. Grab that out of content. Slobs captures. That'll be you. Alright, so that's going twice, so we need to mute one of them. This might not be coming through on your guys' end, so bear with me. This is too good. This is why it's worth streaming while doing this stuff. Alright, cool. Nice and loud. We've got that. Export media. MP3 is good. Make sure we throw him out to Twitch. Think fast. Export. Cool. Got that. Don't really care about that. Bum, bum, bum. Think fast. Gonna apply. Let me check what I have on the other one. Nothing else really funny going on here. Okay. So we need to do new input, flash self, general. Okay, cool. So now, this is how many points? 1,000. I'm going to make a new redeem for 1,000 points. New custom reward. Flash Jedi. Cost is 1,000. Text. Obviously bright white for the background. Okay, so we have that made. We have instruct bot up. You gotta wait. I don't have H3 running just yet. We updated the mod. Pulled that over. And make sure this is on the right one. He is. Sure this is on the right one. He is. I didn't put a cooldown on that either, so good luck to me. See, since I'm actually at my computer, I can do the hydrates.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts! Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
It's whipping them a little bit too hard.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
Alright, I need to pull that down just a little bit. Yeah, that's what we've been working on, Rez, is putting some Twitch hooks from the chat into Take and Hold, or just H3 in general. Alright, let's pull that. Just maybe not 1,000. Let's do 500. Let's cut that in half. You want to have enough where, like, if it's a close situation, it, like, hits the wall and comes back. Alright, we're going to cut that in half for the actual force. So, that's good. This is fantastic. This is freaking fantastic. I love this. What's up? Diva Sai? I don't know why my bot is busted. Skate Rocker, thank you for the bits. Look at what you've done to yourself. I know. I don't know why Cloudbot's busted. Let me try to reboot him. He's been a piece of butt recently. Streamlabs? Is that what it was? Oh yeah, I definitely am. It's there's gonna be like balances happening to this where it's not all the time, because yeah, no, this cannot happen constantly. Yeah, there's something going on with the chatbot. I gotta move off of the cloud one. It's been garbage recently. I need to use the desktop one. I should just pay for one at this point. Okay, so we're good. We're gonna boot. I'm gonna go into VR. Yeah. Let me get my controllers up. Hopefully OVR drop's still running. Sorry. H3 stream is up and working, that's there. Mod mic is off, that's good. I need to make sure that H3 is primary screen. Okay. Hey, thank you for stopping by at least, sir. Cool. Alrighty. I don't know why Cloudbot's being such a piece of crap, but it hasn't caught like half of the subs. Well, we did just fix it.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts!
There's the slow-mo.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Hey, the slow-mo helped out there.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts. Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
All right. Oh my god. That's so good.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Oh, what hell have we brought to this game? All right, Ricky Random.
Okay, meat. Go retrieve their secrets and I'll consider your pay.
Bit of a weird grab point there. All right. I need to add more force to that because I want them shooting out in front of me.
Chuckle Nuts.
It spawned them at the same time.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Oh, goodness. There it is.
Hey Chuckle Nuts.
Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's down this way.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts. Think fast, Chuckle Nuts. Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Oh my goodness. I need to have like a really long redeem and make that super expensive. Would it alert the SO6? Oh yeah.
Fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Oh, for sure.
I wonder what next week's special will be.
Waiting for somebody to spawn one right at him.
I wonder what that is.
Someone flash him.
Goodness.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts. Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Everybody's going to. They were definitely alerted by it too. This is something else.
Override token found.
Oh.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Holy crap.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Literally the audio distortion is just going to be on the entire time. Oh man. Awesome. Well, that is working. That is 200% thanks to...
Over here.
Oh crap, come on. Thanks to NR Grill Nate here for all of that. So thank you so much.
Defend this area with your life. This will be but a moment.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
I give you guys so sick body pillows and that's all you want to do.
What's over there?
Yeah, I need to have some more force behind them. Get out of here.
Would you kindly dispatch those statics?
Come on.
Oh, the crypto thing's broken. Jolly good. Good show.
Think fast, Chuckle
Information.
Nuts.
Wonderful.
Tokens. You get a new toy.
Oh, goodness. Did the follow thing
Now
work?
on to the next one.
I don't think the follow thing worked. It kind of stinks. I gotta figure that one out. You guys are ridiculous. Thank you, Grungy Sheriff, for the follow. Yeah, literally, that's what it's doing, is blocking the shots with body pillows. I need to up the force on that significantly. I think I'm gonna do that real quick.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
So, like, whenever I calm that down, and it only happens, like, once a stream, that's gonna be much more disorienting, because I actually won't remember about it. You guys are literally gonna make me chug.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Thank you. That one actually helped.
Oh, goodness. Oh, come on.
Holy crap. It's so stupid, the best thing you've seen in years. Need one that Heavy says forgot to pull the pin, stupid. Drop a random grenade. Yeah, we're gonna do... So yeah, there's gonna be some random ones. I have like a list of the things I want to do, but I want to get the base actions down first. I want to know that I can spawn an object. I want to know that I can interact with that object. I want to know that I could...
Think fast, chuckle nuts.
I wanted to know that I was able to do the time slow-mo. I want to change some game settings, so I want to be able to temporarily toggle to like moon gravity or no gravity, and I want to be able to interact with the player's held object. So that'll be the next one I think I'm going to try to work on, is getting properties of what I'm holding and letting you guys like toggle the safety or drop the magazine. Possibly even fire the weapon would be an interesting one. But I'll have to see
Override token found.
what exactly. Like even being able to change ammo types would be funny. Like changing my shotgun where I have random fetty all of a sudden. But those are the goals. I love the Max Payne sound there. All right, I'm going to adjust one thing and test that while I have you guys here, because this actually helps a whole bunch. Let's... Where are we at? See, I'm already adding force to that, though. Get the component, rigid body, add force. See, yeah, look, this is already bringing J's in. Yep. You guys redeeming is screwing with that. I gotta turn that off. So I should probably make sure. Yeah. So I'm gonna pause that, because otherwise I get this that happens. All right, player body, GM current player body, head forward. So add force, add force. I don't know if that's just because it's heavier, it needs exponentially more force, or if there's something else I'm missing. Maybe it's not a rigid button, it would have to be. Yeah, I'll remember to turn it back on. I will. But, let's go. 500 doesn't seem to do anything. 5,000 be a factor of 10. Let's go like 10,000. Up it by like a factor of 20? I don't know, I can't math. Build current. Failed. What else is screwed up? Invalid token 158. Oh. You guys are still adding J's on me. Literal worst place to be adding random characters, right? We need you. We need you. Should be on this screen. We're copying Twitch hooks over to here. Replacing. Building mods from within Steam VR is a whole new level of modding, right? I wish the Steam VR keyboard was better. I'm happy it's as good as it is, but yes, I agree. Thank you, Grungy Sheriff, or the Grungy Sheriff, for the follow as well. What's up, Populous? Hello, hello. You thought slow-mo was impossible in H3? It's possible in Unity. It breaks some things. It's just not something Anton wants to add. That camera looks terrible, so I'm just going to shut that off at this point, since it's so dark. The keyboard used to be a little bit better whenever it was... I think it was at the Vive ones, because you could use the touchpads a little bit more efficiently to type on them if you got good at it. But, I mean, it is what it is. I think the hand tracking on Quest would be pretty good for typing. I've seen people do some interesting things with keyboards there. All right, making sure that you are up. Haven't changed the price on the redeem, so it should be good. Yet we are making mods. We are in the process of making my life miserable for this weekend stream. Alright, so we should have some better force behind the Sosig pillows whenever they spawn. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. little bit too much, but we know that it's working, so that's all right. I'd rather have too much than me not think it's working at all.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
I'm caught in between. It's actually not going to spawn anything.
Okay, meat.
Still do the
Go
sound because it's
retrieve their
external.
secrets and I'll consider your pay.
Strangely correct, but I'm going to cheat. Actually, no, you know what? Let's do this. I want to do this instead. Oh, no, I don't have them installed. It's probably all broken. Ah. Goodness.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Yeah, no, the whole reason that Putter has people verify the integrity of their game files, those things go flying, is to avoid things like people sneaking in slow-mo into the tournament. So, because you really could just like set the time to 0.9 or 0.95 and not scale the sound with it, and you could probably get away with it. Those things move out. All right, so I need to cut that like in half, and then I think we'll be good on the body pillows. Then again, that's not even what I'm gonna do with them, so.
Override token found.
Can we... Well, we can break the... It broke the box. Oh, this makes it all so much better.
Wonderful.
Thank you for the follow. I'm sad that that's not working. Yeah, I'm sad that that isn't working. Thank you, Chaos Gordita, for the follow. Ricky Random just got a lot more random. Let me see. I'm gonna break that so don't spend too many points. Sure, people are probably out with how much the flashbang costs, so yeah, take that. I just want to make sure I didn't break anything with the follow. Always on, use default. That shouldn't be anything different. The trigger is when the word follow word is used. It should be good. If it's a moderator, it's coming from the bot. Okay. Don't know. That one might be busted. I'll have to do some work on him. Anyway, all right, I'll do a hold, and then I'm probably going to call it there. Ugh. Is there a way to randomize your primary weapon? That is going to be one of my goals, is manipulating the item in hand. And one of those will be including deleting it and spawning something new. So I hope to have like a Twitch plays take and hold thing eventually. I'd like to get it to the point where I could actually start like an on-site procurement and rely on people redeeming points. Oh, come on. It won't hit it. It has to be a hand. Oh, I hate it. Oh, man.
Would you kindly dispatch those steps?
Come on. Get it.
Think fast, Chuckle Nuts.
Come on. Oh. I need to do better than that. How did that one get it and the other ones won't? I don't understand. That's lame.
And I'm not paying for them. Well done. Good show. Information has been received. 3 tokens found. Go get a new toy.
More secrets are to be uncovered. Onwards!
So, this is what happens when you let Twitch chat mess with your take and hold run. Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna call it there. Thank you guys so much for entertaining me with this, for helping, especially you, Nate. Holy crap. Literally impossible without your help. Thank you for the info, too. Didn't know I could actually look at Anton's stuff to figure some of this stuff out. That's going to be a giant help. I will be messing with this more this week. I may be up to stream a little bit, but...
This is amazing, great idea, Jedi. Winking face.
Thanks, Tritty, for the crazy idea with the Flash. Thank you, Populous Mario, as well, for the follow. But yeah, I might be up in the next couple of days doing the same stuff. If not, I will see you guys on Saturday. So thank you guys again so much. Take it easy. That was a good one. That was a good one. See you guys later.